Every diamond begins with carbon, but not every journey starts the same.
For natural diamonds, the search begins deep beneath the earth. In laboratories, carbon is prepared with precision. Both paths move forward, one shaped by time, one by control. The next phase determines the future. Both are now committed to becoming diamonds. Technology creates its own conditions.
Movement begins in two very different worlds.
Raw earth reaches its first checkpoint. Creation accelerates under control. Nature must be broken down to be revealed.
Weeks replace millennia.
Value demands protection. Preparation defines what comes next. Now, separation begins. Now, value is separated from volume. Hidden brilliance reveals itself. Creation is complete. Machines make the first choice.
Detached cleanly.
Confirmed.
Growth gives way to handling.
Human judgment enters again.
From raw to ready.
The next phase will define their brilliance.
From this point forward, origin no longer matters. Every cut is calculated before it begins.
Mistakes are designed out.
Brilliance begins with separation.
Form emerges from precision. Angles decide brilliance.
Color defines rarity.
Perfection is measured by what lies within.
Cut determines how light returns. Value begins with weight. Science reveals origin, not appearance. Paper now carries part of the value.
This is where price is decided. Here, stones become stories. Every piece starts as an idea. Fit defines security. Material gives character.
Design becomes commitment.
Digital design enters physical reality.
Form is about to be born. The design gains a body.
Every copy is exact.
Efficiency grows through grouping.
The mold prepares to replace the model.
What was temporary disappears.
Value turns liquid. Form is captured instantly.
Metal replaces wax. This is where value is secured.
Every stone has its place.
Placement allows no error.
Security is engineered by hand.
Repetition demands discipline.
Stillness confirms success.
Origin disappears in craftsmanship.
Final perfection awaits. Perfection is refined, not rushed.
Every surface must earn its shine.
Details separate premium from ordinary. Nothing unwanted remains.
Quality is never assumed.
Documentation completes trust.
Value is protected before it travels.
Presentation reflects precision.
Identity travels with every piece.
Individual luxury becomes scalable. Finished goods wait with intent.
Distribution is prepared with care.
Craftsmanship scaled for the world.